Today's Tuesday. Time right now is 8:44. Oh, I have not traded in a very long time. In a very, very, very long time. And yes, so I just want to get into the markets. I just want to get into it today right now. I'm not going to. I'm already behind. Kind of hungry. I'm gonna go make my morning smoothie. Also, little update. I've been getting in the gym. I got some groceries like last weekend, and and I'm trying to get in the gym to get a little bit bigger. My body right now is like, it's kind of bird chest, kind of bird chest. Let me show you. Still, see, it's bird chest right now. I don't really like that. So I want to get a little bit bigger. So yeah, it's gonna get that manly body. And that will, and me working out will allow me to get better at basketball for one. Be able to pick up my girlfriend. She can't call me skinny no more. She'll be calling me skinny a lot. And I won't have brain fog. I'll have a lot of discipline, and the discipline could translate onto the charts. But yeah, so no more brain fog. So that's probably one of the main reasons as well. No more brain fog. I get more aggressive in basketball as well. And just get bigger. But yeah, I'm gonna hop into the charts right now. And yeah, already late. I had to go do something in the morning, but we're here now. I'm gonna say like this is my first day back in like a while. A while. But yeah, it's good to be back. It's good to be back. Yeah, hop into the day right now. Yeah. At 9:45. Go. Okay, so what I'm seeing right now is this. We got an unmitigated 4 hour above. Price typical liquidity levels lower, went higher, tapped into the 4 hour, right? And then after the price tapped into the 4 hour, price took all the liquidity higher, right? Price then came lower, tapped into the 4 hour unmitigated here, and that 4 hour unmitigated here took price higher. And then when price went higher, price then disrespected this 4 hour bearish right here. And then we're going to go into the lower time frames. What do we see on the lower time frames? So on the lower time frames, you see, okay, we had a retracement into a 1 hour unmitigated right here. And once price tapped into that 1 hour unmitigated, we had a 1 hour BOS right here. Let me mark this out real quick. We had a 1 hour BOS right here. And what else do we see? We've seen this bullish fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap right here got disrespected. So right now I want to see what I want to see is this. I want to see this 1 hour fair value gap get respected right here. And once I see this 1 hour fair value gap get respected, that kind of gives me confirmation that we are still bullish. But if this 1 hour fair value gap gets disrespected, then I can see price going lower. Yeah. I'm leaning a little bit more bullish right now. Yeah. I'm definitely a little more bullish. So yeah, I'm really kind of bullish right now. But if I see that 1 hour get disrespected, then that kind of gives me confirmation that price wants to go higher instead. That gives me confirmation that price may be bearish instead. We had an A plus trade right here. This is not a new candle. But we had an A plus trade here already. But I want to see maybe price come down into the discount of this leg right here. A little more discounted if anything. Yeah. Maybe price come down and sweep out all the liquidity lower. Maybe let's say like that 1 hour. Maybe price come and sweep out this right here. Respect the 1 hour for value gap, and then we go higher. I don't know. We'll see what happens though. I'm kind of bullish right now. Did that 1 hour get disrespected? Oh, it didn't get disrespected, but disrespected the 50% of this candle though. Of this fair value gap. We'll see what happens. honestly, if you get a re-sweep of these highs right here, price takes of this 5 minute intermediate high right here, comes back lower, sweeps. This is 5 minute for value. Bullish for value gap right here, right with strong displacement. I would take this straight to London low right here, because we do have 5 minute confirmation that price is disrespecting bullish fair value gaps and respecting bearish fair value gaps right now. But I want to see this 5 minute bullish get disrespected. And we also have a 5 minute intermediate low right here, and we also have a 5 minute intermediate low right here. And also a London low right here, and a 5 minute I'm gonna get an inverse value gap above as well. 5 minute inverse fair value gap below as well. So it's like there are reasons for price to go lower. Although I would have wanted a stronger draw since price had already taken out all the draws lower. I would have loved her for a stronger draw, but we're not getting that right now. We're not getting that right now. Like, I would have wanted something lower that price would want to go to, but there isn't anything right now. We have a 15-minute inverse value below here, but it's pretty far down. We also have a unity opening gap above as well. It's like, if you're gonna see what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna make my smoothie real quick. This is a 15-minute now. So we have a 15-minute unmitigated above. So what I want to see is price come up here and take out this 15-minute 7-minute intermediate high, tap into the 15-minute unmitigated fair value gap right here. And once price does that, we then get displacement lower. Price closes below this 5-minute intermediate. Fuck! Bro, price closes below this 5-minute fair value gap right here. Giving us confirmation that price will go lower, because we do have a 5-minute CISC, we do have 15-minute BOS. There's multiple things saying price will go lower, but I'm not taking this shit right here. See this right here? I'm not taking this because we have 15-minute unmitigated above. If that 15-minute unmitigated got tapped into price here, what's happening right now? Then I would have been looking for a trade. But the fact that this is not happening right now, I'm not looking for a trade. So I'm gonna come back right now. I'm gonna go make my smoothie and come back. Yeah. Let's get a manipulation, distribution, manipulation, accumulation. Oh, bro, what the fudge? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution to the downside towards the low right here. Because we still do have a 5-minute unmitigated lower as well. This 5-minute right here. So price could definitely tap into its. But I don't like how that 1 hour got disrespected though. I will say that. The high time frame is bearish though. The what time frame is showing bullish? Though. Let's see what happens when this 30-minute gets tapped. Let's see what happens though. So yeah, we have a 5-minute confirmation and everything right here. Rejected from this 5-minute fair value gap, but I don't like it. Excuse me. That was terrible. But yeah, I don't like it. I want to see price receive these lows, tap it, indicate this 15-minute fair value gap right here before going higher. And if we don't get it, then we don't get that. Then instead, what if we get instead is maybe like, I don't know, but I don't like it. Like, this could play out, right? This is a whack out trade, I'm not gonna lie to you. So yeah, we did get our sweep and everything. Yeah, we did get tap into that 5-minute fair value gap and everything. Yeah, we did get that 5-minute confirmation, but I don't know. I just want to slow, because I see the shit start. I see like myself getting stopped out in the shit. Why do I see myself getting stopped out? Yes, we have a 5-minute right here and everything, right? But let's say my stop loss would be like right right inside that 15-minute fair. Oh, well, right near it, right in that 15-minute fair value. But it just nah, come on, nah, I'm not. I'm not. Nah, I'm not doing this slow. It could play out, but I'm not taking this slow. I'm not taking it. I could do a continuation right here. Just I would have wanted to see like price come back lower before going higher and stuff. This is like whack. Yeah, like this is like the type of trades that you see fail, bro. Because you want to see price go back lower, sweep out the lowest tab, fill the take out the mitigated fair value, take out the liquidity before going higher and stuff. So that's one of those trades like you don't want to really be in for real, bro. So I'm not this like this is not like an ideal setup for me still. It's not an ideal setup, but this is a setup that I'm taking like a long time because this is the armor and everything, right? With the raid right here, my shift right here, return right here, and all that type of stuff. I'm in the fair value above, but I don't like it still. I don't like it. And the fact that we didn't even go back into the discount of the range as well, I don't like that either. I don't like that at all. Okay. I'm just waiting for them a more ideal setup. So if I get 15-minute closure above this fair value gap right here, then even if price comes back lower into this 5-minute into this 5-minute 15-minute right here, I'm still taking that trade even though it's at the 30-minute. Reason being is this: we respected this 30-minute fair value gap right here, right? Price also tapped into this 30-minute order block as well and closed outside of that 30-minute order block as well, right? I'd love to see that. I love to see that, right? We set up that 15-minute lower above that's being respected as well. I'm seeing 5-minute fair value is getting respected, 5-minute bearish fair value is getting disrespected, right? 5-minute bull is getting respected, 5-minute bearish getting disrespected, right? Also, the 3-minute is correlated with the 30-minute, right? We have 3-minute closure above the 30-minute fair value gap, right? What do we have above? We have and if I'm seeing that, okay, we're delivering from a 30-minute fair value gap, 30-minute order block, 30-minute fair value gap, right? And I'm seeing that we're showing bullish structure, right? I'm now thinking that, okay, even if you have a 30-minute order block right here, that 30-minute order block has been tapped, got mitigated multiple times already, right? Multiple times already. Telling me that, okay, it's now weak. And what do we have higher for price to want to go to? What draws do we have higher for price to want to be drawn to? We have a new day opening gap. We also have a 4-hour fair value gap above that new day opening gap. What else do we have? We have session highs. We have New York PM high. We have Asia high. We have New York AM high right here, and we have New York lunch high. There are multiple draws higher for price to want to go to. So me seeing all that right there, I'm like, you know what? Let me just take it towards that instead. That would be a better draw. That right there would be a better draw instead. Yeah. So all I want to see right now is a 5-minute closure above the 30-minute fair value gap, 5-minute pullback into like a, let's say like maybe into this 15-minute right here. And once I get that, then yeah, I want to take it to like, I'm gonna take it to like maybe like Asia high or just like, because this is like previous, this is like a relative equal highs right here. So I'd probably take it to that, honestly. Especially, also what I want to see is this 15-minute right here getting disrespected. So it's trading instead of a 15-minute bearish, right? This one right here. I want to see this 15-minute bearish right here get disrespected as well. That's what I also want to see. Another thing, we also have accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, and the the swing highs that God created with the accumulation haven't been taken out yet. Those have not been taken out yet. So those have not. So those have still being those draws still being intact. Tell me that okay, you know what? We could still definitely still go higher. There's reasons for price to go higher. I don't want that. I don't want that wick. Indecision in the market. I don't like this right here. I don't like this.